I know.
Oh my god!
Guys, guess where we're going? Babe, where are we going?
Gonna look for a dog.
We're going to the SPCA. But I wish it was a cat, like a...
They also have cats there.
They also have cats? Baby, you lying. But Travis, I bet I picture. Oh, you got them from here?
No, we came to drop them off that day.
Oh, shame. But how is that? Was it sad?
Now I'm sad.
Because all of them are gone now. But were they like sisters or brothers or what?
The two were brothers.
Oh, okay. Hello. Then ubasu upakethe ehambela yethu. Oh, that's a huge one. Not what, hey? Oh, hi.
Okay, so is there only one number? Okay, so yeah. Then it's he's been given a dewormer and
missing
he's been
cats.
given a drop. Those are just dewormers. He hasn't been given any tick and flea medication.
Okay.
Kapuyene
So
nje
this is the
entry.
date that he was sterilized for yesterday. So that's all his information there.
No, man.
Then you get your
Baby, 1,000 cash reward.
Huh?
He gets
form
1,000
saying
cash
that
reward.
You will register him with the microchip.
Oh, this is a nice color. It's a mix of brown and black. That's the vibe to the sky. Sausage Shame, I see dogs, but cats. I love cats. Wow, so pretty. And you can.
That's
Wow. Take pictures, Ben. Take pictures. Wow, that one is so gorgeous.
everybody.
But are they a dog that protects? Yo, it does not smell good in here.
I love it.
Oh, Puto got you see?
Yeah,
Oh, brother and sister. Hi, Guruleja. Yo, they're so big for 6 months. This is really big for 6 months. These are nice.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bo trippy.
But if ngashiya phela izinja lana sengimtshelile lo mama. Bengingamele ngimtshele yazi. Cha ngangishiya ngoba mina ngisasmove se Cape Town. So manje sasishiya kwenye indawo. Uyabona so understand message sakwazi ukuphatha.
I love it. These, I can't believe that this is only 6 months. You only 6 months. How come you only 6 months? How come you only 6 months? Oh, they're siblings! 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 You're siblings! Siblings! You're gorgeous! You know what? Look at you. So gorgeous. nice and thick. Thickums. You're so thick. You're so thick. Oh, you're so thick. Thickums, mom.
Yeah, feel it. Yeah.
Oh, thick.
I've been leading paper trails. Last night I switched to L. Every day I'm waking up. Need to start taking care. I've been on my grind though. Messing I've been
Or actually, as a fan, we can pay for an workshop.
Never.
It does. It looks exactly the same, like the way that it's built, the way that it is structured. It looks like that one. Baby, you're gonna get me a Christmas present. And if I don't have it? No, you don't have it. But baby, oh, my last gift was dope. But bangasnikila amatayel. What about this one? Yeah. Some good thing, yeah. Baby, with dogs, do you just like the? Oh, you used to serve them this one. This one's the one. I've never had to get like cat food. Because honestly, watermelon? No, there was no watermelon yesterday. No. But I just wonder how much of this that they eat, because never had these. I'll catch you now. We are currently at Pick n Pay doing getting some food for lunch. Honestly, we have not eaten and we only eat after 12, so it's a thing. But this is not literally looking for e-commerce. Let's move this, guys. It's high creamers, but it's not e-commerce.
I've been leading paper trails. Last night I switched to L. Every day I'm waking up. Need to start taking care.
Yo, update time. Not me being outside of home, and my key does not open. So I think my mom changed the locks though, because I remember when I left, like the locks are not working. So I'm just so annoyed right now. Like, I'm so annoyed. I feel like I'm breaking it. Hello! Good morning, you guys. I just finished doing my skincare and you know, I'm looking a little bit better. Cheers, you guys. This cup has like such a nice message. It says, dreams are only dreams until you wake up and make them real. I feel so inspired right now. But good morning and happy Vlogmas. Boo, 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 boo. I am so excited that it is finally Vlogmas. I have tried to do it in the past and was not successful. I think I did like weekly, but what I want to do is I'm gonna do Vlogmas, but I want to do it weekly because I'm not gonna be able to upload daily, because when I go to the farms I know that I will have a problem in network. So I'm doing Vlogmas, we're doing Vlogmas, so get in this boat right now. So I'm gonna be filming every day of Christmas. Already my little cousin is annoyed with me because I've been filming everywhere. I just want to wish everybody a happy December. Happy December 1st, happy December 2nd. Today is December 3rd, but I have been filming every day. I just need to edit. I'm in Durban. So excited to be home. I genuinely did not anticipate that it was gonna feel this good when I'm home. Like, I knew like coming home like makes you feel good, but I did not anticipate how good I actually really feel. I feel so happy right now. I feel so blessed. Like, you know, it's you know, absence does make the heart grow fonder. It actually does. But yeah, today I have nothing planned. I just wanted to wish you guys a happy Vlogmas, and welcome to Vlogmas. We're doing it on this channel. If you are new here, my name is Tia. Okay, no, I have identity life crisis. If you are new here, my name is Thando. You know, but you can call me Tios. My friends call me Tios. I'm home right now. I'm just chilling. I'm having a lemon water. I like to do this every morning. Like, when I was away from home, I've been slacking on this, but being back home, it just feels very natural to just wake up and have like a jug of water, and then after I have lemon water. That's what I always do. But yeah, I've got a very exciting package, guys. I feel like I haven't spoken to you in a while. Like, you know, like that friend that you haven't seen for like 5 years and you last saw in high school. I feel like that's you and I. But there's a lot of updates that I need to update you guys on. And on Instagram, we're on 30K. Like, what? There's a lot I need to update you guys on. But yeah, I've got this exciting package that I actually wanna wait, hold on, let me take this tripod off. So I've got this exciting package that I wanna unbox, and I also have to film content. But it is so cute. Look at how cute that is. No, well, maybe you wouldn't know, but I have Nivea on my vision board, and I've always wanted to work with them. And literally they sent me a PR drop. Like, what is my life, guys? Please explain to me, what is my life? But yeah, I wanted to do this unboxing and then just check the content that's inside, and then I also have to film content for the brand. And yeah, but I'm actually genuinely very excited because I think it was a vision board I made back in 2000 and probably like 2022. I think that's when I had the vision board, and literally in 2023 I am finally like working with Nivea in a way. So let's do this unboxing. Just give me a minute. But yeah, so here's the package. It is looking so cute right now. Mommy, the beauty of your skin. So basically they have like this new radiant and beauty range, and yeah, they just wanted to send it to us. Wow, I love this. This looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna smell it in the other bottle because I still need to do content for it. Guys, I didn't ask what the lotion ibiza kanjani, so I'm not about to buy a lotion these holidays. So they sent me not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. So exciting, guys. Like, I don't know how to feel right now. I actually feel very numb because you know, it takes very long for me to digest izinto, like to really understand like what's going on, or really make out like my feeling. Oh, I love this. It's all really like make up my feelings. The fact that I'm putting on lotion and I'm gezil. I just need to take a shower right now. But yeah, wow, I love this. I love this so much. Thank you so much to Nivea for this PR drop. I feel blessed. Why doesn't it want to focus? I like the packaging of this one though. I like the gold. It is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Let's smell this one. It smells really good. It smells really nice. I like it. So thank you so much to Nivea. This means a lot. I'm so excited to try out these. Good morning, you guys. I just woke up and I want to end the last vlog because I want to start a new one. But I really wanted to start the segment where I share the message of the day with you, and because I want my YouTube and videos to be very intentional from 2024, so I'm starting now. But what I wanted to share with you is a verse that I just literally opened my old journal from high school, and when I opened it, I saw a message that says, depend on the Lord in whatever you do and your plans will succeed. And that's found in the Bible in Proverbs 16 verse 3. I just want to say that I was so and I'm trying to figure out like where life is taking me next day. I mean, as people, obviously we want to have our plans and we want to know like what's going on with our lives, whereas with God, he already has a plan with our lives and all of those things, but we do not know those plans. And I was worrying so much, and when I opened this verse, it really spoke to me, in that whatever it is, even if I want to go to school and I don't have the money to do it, but I must just depend on the Lord in whatever I do, and my plans will succeed. And another testimony that made me realize this is my cousin was going through something, and she needed a way to get out of that situation where she was involved with another person, and she needed a way to get out of that situation. And I kept on telling her, remember to ask God, remember to pray, remember to depend on God. I was merely saying this message, but I had forgotten about this verse. And what happened was, that person removed themselves out of the situation with my cousin before she could even do it, because it was a situation that needed money. It was a situation that needed change. And that person removed themselves in my cousin's life. And although that was not happening to me, but it was such a revelation, because I kept on giving her faith, and I kept on telling her that, God has her back no matter what. So I just want to say, depend on God, in whatever your plans are, and don't forget to include him, and don't forget to just include him in whatever you do, and in that way your plan will be successful. But yeah, that's how I'm gonna leave it, and I hope you have a good rest of the week, and I will see you next time. Guys, did you hear my stuff?
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let you in this club.